Stop throwing away your money on designer stilettos that hurt your feet and break the bank. What if I told you you can take a pair of $20 heels from Walmart and make them look like they cost four figures? I'm talking about secret professional grade styling hacks that even the most elite stylists use to elevate budget footwear. And the last hack I'll show you today is a total game changer for durability that most people completely overlook. I've spent years analyzing high-end runway shoes to figure out exactly what makes them look expensive. It isn't just the brand name, it's the finish, the hardware, and the way the shoe hits your foot. Today, I'm going to break down 5 specific techniques to upgrade your cheap heels so they look like designer pieces. Let's get into it. Most budget shoes fail because of cheap-looking plastic buckles or fake shiny gold metal that screams mass-produced. The first thing you need to do is swap that hardware. Listen, you can buy high-end replacement buckles at any craft store for literally pennies. Swapping a shiny, cheap gold buckle for a brushed brass or matte finish instantly makes the shoe look custom-made. Now, if you don't want to sew, you can use a high-quality metal paint pen in a muted gold to dull down that tacky shine. It's a tiny detail, but your eyes notice it immediately. Let's talk about the sole. Nothing says cheap like a flat, plastic, grayish-white bottom. Have you ever noticed how luxury shoes often have that distinct red or black lacquered finish? You can mimic that look by using a high-gloss, oil-based enamel paint on the bottom of your heels. Make sure to use painter's tape to get a crisp line where the sole meets the heel. It makes your stride look intentional. Plus, it adds a layer of protection that actually helps the shoe last longer. But wait, if you think the sole is the most important part, you're missing the structural hack coming up next. Often, the heel itself is made of a cheap-looking synthetic material that scuffs the second you walk on pavement. Here is the secret. Use high-quality velvet or faux suede adhesive tape to wrap the heel. It gives the shoe a textured, sophisticated depth that you only see on luxury designer pairs. It covers up any imperfections in the heel's finish and makes them look like they were handcrafted in Italy. It's all about the texture, people. Now, here is the absolute secret I promised earlier. You want your cheap heels to last and feel like a dream? You need to upgrade the internal structure with medical-grade silicone inserts and heel grips. Most people buy cheap shoes and just wear them until they hurt. If you add these, the shoe doesn't just look like a luxury item, it wears like one. It changes the way you walk, which is the ultimate sign of confidence. If you found these tips helpful, hit that like button so I know to do more budget-friendly styling hacks. Comment below, which of these hacks are you trying first? Don't forget to subscribe for next week's video where I show you how to upgrade your entire wardrobe for under $50. See you there!